This is your bald-headed geologist. Wanted to do a brief video on determining particle size with detrital sedimentary rocks. If you recall in the PowerPoint lecture, the way that detrital sedimentary rocks are identified are by particle size and degree of compaction. So when we look at particle size, we're not necessarily looking at the most abundant particles, but the largest. This is a hand sample, and you can see very large particles dispersed throughout the matrix of this rock. The largest particles are not the most abundant, but they are the largest. And if they are easily seen, as you see in these various areas, this indicates gravel-sized particles. So this would be either a conglomerate or a breccia based on the shape of the gravel particles. Here, you don't really see very large pea-size, obvious large size particles that would indicate gravel particles, but you do see a graininess to this texture, to this rock. This is an indication of sand-size particles, has a graininess to it. On a smaller scale, you also see a graininess to this rock as well. So these two rocks, these are sand-sized particles. So this would indicate a type of sandstone, whether it be Greywacke, Arkose, or quartz sandstone. We get down to the smallest size, which is clay size and silt, and we see that it is very, very difficult to pick out grain sizes. This one here has a tiny bit of texture, very, very difficult to see. And this one here, pretty much you can't see any of the particles. So if the grain sizes are very difficult to see, you're talking about silt and clay-sized particles. So in this case, you either have siltstone and shale or shale. If that's the case, then you have to look at the layering. Shale will always have some degree of layering, and siltstone will basically have no layering. Thank you.